going to be prank calling KFC. Let's go. Hello.
Hello.
Do you sell chicken?
Pardon?
Do you sell chicken?
You want to speak clear?
Do you sell chicken?
Yeah, we sell chicken, yeah.
How much?
Depends what you after.
I want some popcorn chicken.
Okay, what's more? Regular, large?
Large.
Large. That's £3.49.
Okay, how old are you?
How old are you?
I'm 8.
You're 8. Your father is too small than you.
Am I?
You're very small.
My mum and daddy have gone out somewhere, and I just wanted to call someone. I might call 999 next.
Pardon?
I might call 999 next.
Okay.
Is that the police?
Yeah.
Are they nice?
Yeah. Ring them up. They sell chicken as well. Right.
Do they? Oh my god, they just told me to ring up 999 because I sell chicken. Alright, right. Hello?
Hello.
Hi, do you sell chicken?
We do.
Oh, how much is it? Hello? How much is the chicken? Oh my god, okay.
Hello. Your call connected.
God's sake. Okay. Alright. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
No, do you sell chicken popcorn?
Yeah.
How much is it? Excuse me. How much? How much is it?
I think it's more anyway. I'm not gonna hold it. Hello.
Do you sell chicken?
Okay, goodbye. I think food's over now. We're busy.
Are you? But mummy said to. They don't listen. Now guys, I'm just gonna say bye. Peace out. Woo!